Step number one, hack number one. What did I call it? 5 ways. Okay. Way number one. Step number one. Tip number one.
Tip number one.
Tip. Today on the Edgy Veg, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can recycle your products that come in Tetra Pak cartons. Thank you so much to Tetra Pak for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. Tetra Pak cartons hold a variety of products that I use on a daily basis. A lot of the plant-based milks that I buy, a lot of my beans, sauces, crushed tomatoes, and even when I'm on the run and I forget my water bottle, I will try to buy the water in Tetra Pak cartons as opposed to plastic. Tetra Pak cartons are a great alternative to plastic without compromising durability, convenience, and quality, as well as the future of our planet. Tip number 1 is one you should be doing already. It is recycling. Tetra Pak cartons can be recycled with the rest of your recyclables. I have my recycling bin right here. I'm in a condo, so I have a cute little guy. Every Tetra Pak carton is made from why can't I say this? Renewable. Every Tetra Pak is made from renewable materials from sustainable sourcing, so that reduces the overall impact on climate. So, all you have to do is rinse your cartons and throw them into your recycling. And then wait for the garbage man to come pick it up. Tip number 2 is to use them as plant potters. Plant potters. I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed with plants. I love having lots and lots of plants in my condo, and I have a lot of ivies and vines, so I like to clip them and regrow them. I don't always have a lot of planters in my home, especially for like regrowing the roots and planting them. So because the Tetra Pak cartons are sturdy and waterproof, I can regrow my little plant clippings, see the little roots there, just by putting some water into the Tetra Pak, and then I can cut off just the neck of the Tetra Pak, or even add some soil to this guy and just replant them. And then once they've outgrown the little Tetra Pak, I really just do this to get it going, then I can transplant it into a large pot and like hang it from my window. So just adding soil to the Tetra Pak carton. I like to just stick it next to my window, wait for it to grow nice and strong, and then I will take it and transplant it from the Tetra Pak carton to like a normal planter pot. And to grow roots for my clippings, literally what I do is I will trim my vines because they get super long. Just stick it right into the Tetra Pak carton, and then these great roots will grow, and then I can replant it. Tip number 3 is use it for your composting. So because I'm in a 1-bedroom condo and I'm really usually just cooking for myself, I don't like to keep my compost in the condo because it starts to smell and it's an eyesore. So I just reuse my cartons and shove all my food waste in there. Then I can walk right to the garbage chute and just dump it right down the chute and reuse the carton over and over again. And if I am really lazy, let's say I'm cooking late at night and I don't want to go right to the garbage chute, I can even just shove this in my freezer until I go tomorrow morning. So it reuses the carton over and over again, and you don't have to buy those expensive green bags that a lot of people want you to use for your composting. Tip number 4 is regrowing old food scraps. Did you know that a lot of the produce that you buy can actually be regrown at home? So things like parsley, green onions, even the pits from the avocados. I like to put them in these Tetra Pak cartons because they're waterproof and they're super stable. So I will just cut the bottom off of it, and then you're reusing your packaging. You're also reusing your food scraps instead of just throwing them into the compost, which is also great. But if you can get more than one use out of your scraps, that would be great. So I have some cut off bottoms of green onions, so I'm just putting them right into the Tetra Pak carton, and then just covering the roots with water. And then I like to throw that right next to a window or a warm place and let them grow. And what will happen is these little guys will sprout more green onions that you can trim and keep using. Tip number 5 is use your Tetra Pak cartons for crafts. Keep your kids busy and entertained and creative by turning these guys into bird feeders, little snack boxes, lanterns. It's a nice sturdy surface. You can turn them inside out. You can cover them in paper, color them, cut them up. There's a lot of tutorials online showing you how you can make a variety of different things to keep your kids busy. And that will take your single-use Tetra Pak carton and make it into a double-use Tetra Pak carton. That's it. All right, there you have it, guys. 5 ways that you can recycle your cartons. Thank you so much again to Tetra Pak for sponsoring this video, and I want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you are going to do your part in preserving our planet and being eco-friendly. If you want more videos where I talk about sustainability and being eco-friendly, maybe zero waste, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know. And if you are new here, welcome. Take the time to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye.